Hello students, this is Pramod from Silver Green English School. Today we are going to study English for class 10th from your Footprints book. This is the chapter number 3. Name of the lesson is The Midnight Visitor, written by Robert Arthur. First of all, I will give you brief introduction. The midnight visitor refers to the visitor means uninvited guest, and he comes at midnight. It means at 12 o'clock in the night. There are three characters in this story. The first character is Osable. He is a secret agent. Second character is Fowler, who is a writer who comes to meet at hotel where Osable is stayed, and third character who is midnight visitor, he is Max. He is also secret agent and he comes to meet Osable. He comes to Osable's hotel where he stayed at 12 o'clock in the midnight with the purpose to take important documents. He wants to take those documents by force from Osable. So, with this introduction, let us begin this chapter. I will read the story for you and I will discuss the difficult words, meaning, and also explain the story. Osable did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. Following him down the musty corridor of the gloomy French hotel where Osable had a room, Fowler felt let down. It was a small room on the sixth and top floor, and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure. Osable was, for one thing, fat, very fat, and then there was his accent. Though he spoke French and German passably, he had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. So, students, here Osable, who is the secret agent, did not fit any description of a secret agent according to the Fowler. Because Fowler tells us that as he had read many books, and in that books he had descriptions of secret agents, and according to those descriptions, according to those readings, he is not like that. And then he says, following him down the musty corridor of the gloomy French hotel where Osable had a room. Now, Osable's room, here you can see the picture of room. It is not exactly Osable's room, but it is a picture. So, how was it? It was musty. It was having musty corridor. Now, what is the musty corridor? Musty corridor. Musty corridor means having a stale or damp smell. Stale or damp smell when when in the season of rain or in the season of monsoon, when you can see everything is wet and any room is locked. So that room is, when we are opening, so the smell is coming like a damp smell. So that type of smell was there, and it was gloomy, means it was not very attractive, it was not very creating excitement. So here it was French hotel, and Fowler felt let down. Now Fowler was having feeling of disappointment, मतलब वो निराश हो गया, जैसे उसकी आशा थी उस तरह से सीक्रेट एजेंट नहीं था. तो सीक्रेट एजेंट कैसे था? इट वॉज, you can see the description of the room here. It was a small room on the sixth and top floor, and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure. And room was very small. It was on the top floor, and the setting of room was not a romantic adventure. Okay. Osable was, for one thing, fat, very fat, and then there was his accent. So now here writer is telling about Osable. So Osable was looking fat. Okay. Normally, secret agents are not looking very fat. Okay. And another thing was that he was not only fat, he was very fat. And then there was his accent. How was his accent? He spoke French and German passably. What is the meaning of passably? Average. He had never altogether lost the American accent, and he was also having the accent of American, because he was there for 20 years ago. So he had brought to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. So he came from Boston to Paris 20 years ago. Now see what happens ahead. You are disappointed, Osable said wheezily over his shoulder. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing with espionage and danger. You wished to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You envisioned mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols, drugs in the wine. Now see. Now what are the expectation of the Fowler? Fowler's expectation of different. And here Osable is telling him that I think you are disappointed. मुझे लगता है कि आप निराश हो मुझसे मिलकर. Wheezily. Now what is the meaning of wheezily? Breathing sound. When somebody speaks, so it includes breathing sound also. And that's why that is called wheezily. You are told that I was a secret agent. Now again he is, who is Fowler, is asking that you told me that you are secret agent, but you are not like that, a spy dealing in espionage and danger. Now what is espionage? Practice of spying, typically by government. Okay. So here he was having expectation, and he is complaining him that you told me that you are the spy, you are the dealing with danger things. You wish to meet me because you are a writer. And then he said that, who is saying Osable, that you are the writer and you wish to meet me. So that's why young and romantic. You are a young and romantic. You envisioned mysterious figure in the night, the crack of pistols, drugs in the wine. And then he is Osable is telling to the Fowler that you thought, you are having the vision that I would be having mysterious figure in the night. There will be cracks of pistols, there will be sound of the pistols, drugs will be there in the wine, and so many things will be there like the secret agents. But it is not like that. Let's see what happens further. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark eyed beauties, gets only a prosaic telephone call making an appointment in his room. You have been bored. The fat man chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. Now, see, as in the beginning, when Osable and Fowler both were passing through the corridor towards the room of Osable. At that time, the both were having discussion, and according to that discussion, that Osable is not as Fowler thought. So now discussion is going on. Now they are near to the room. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark eyed beauties. It means what? That now he's telling. Who's telling? Osable. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall. Now, here a French music hall. Sloppy fat man. Sloppy means carelessly dressed flat man. Instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark eyed beauties. Now see, here that man has having the dark eyes. Means you can see the circle around the dark eyes. Gets only a prosaic telephone. Prosaic means here ordinary telephone call making an appointment in his room. You have been bored. I think you have been bored. The fat man chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room. Now, see, here the fat man who chuckled by telling this means laughed quietly without opening his mouth. So, as the scenery, as the situation was not a most romantic and most adventurous, and that's why Osable is explaining the things to him, to the Fowler. So you have been bored. The fat man chuckled, and now see, fat man is chuckled, means he is laughing. And then he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. Now, who is frustrated guest here? Fowler is frustrated guest. Now, feeling or expressing, what is the meaning of frustrated? Feeling or expressing distress and annoyance resulting from an inability to change or achieve something. मीन्स when the people, जब लोगों को लोग चीज़ें चेंज नहीं कर पाते हैं, उनमें उतनी क्षमता नहीं होती है कि वो चीज़ों को चेंज कर सके. सो उस टाइम पर वो अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन, अपना गुस्सा जो भी है वो निकालते हैं. सिर्फ गुस्सा निकालते हैं क्योंकि वो चीज़ों को बराबर नहीं कर सकते हैं, ना ही वो चीज़ों को सुधार सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर नाउ हु इज़ द फ्रस्ट्रेटेड राइटर? फाउलर इज़ द frustrated because as per his expectation here Osable was not there. Okay. Now, next, see what happens. You are illusioned. Now, see, you are disillusioned, Osable told him. But take cheer, my young friend. Presently, you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. Come to me some day soon. That paper may well affect the course of history. In that thought in is drama. Is there not? As he spoke, Osable closed the door behind him. Then he switched on the light. Now, Osable is saying, you are disillusioned. Disillusion means to realize that the belief he had false. Means whatever the belief of the fowler was there, that is false. About whom? About Osable. Now what Osable is telling him? Then Osable is telling him, but take cheer, means be happy, my young friend. Presently you will see a paper, means some papers you will see, and which are very important papers, and many men and women have risked their life. Now risked means they are putting their lives in danger. Come to me. Someday, soon that paper may well affect to course of history. Course of history means part of history. So it will, the papers are very important which will change the some history, means it will be having some importance in the history. So it will be the part of the history, it will be the one of the chapter of the history which will affect the history. In that thought is drama, is there not? And writer is telling that here this is a kind of drama. As he spoke, Osable closed the door, and then Osable closed the door behind him, and then he switched on the light. Now what happens? See, again thrilling things are there. And as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand stood a man. Osable blinked a few times. Max, he wheezed. You gave me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin, capital of German. You know, Berlin is capital of German. What are you doing here in my room? And as the light came on, means light when switched on by the Osable, Fowler had the authentic thrill, means he is now having original thrill, excitement of the day. Thrill means sudden feeling of excitement. Authentic means original, true. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand. Now, in the room, who was there? There was a Max. The third character's entry is here, and he is having pistol. Now, you can see in the picture that both characters, Fowler and Osable, are entering in the room, and then Max is there with his gun. Now see, Max whizzed. Now here you can see Osable blinked a few times his eyes and then said, "Oh Max, you are there. You gave me with a start." Now gave me quite a start means made to move sudden due to fright or surprise, means he has given him surprise. I thought you were in Berlin, and Osable was thinking that he might be in Berlin, or Max might be in Berlin. Berlin is capital of Germany. What are you doing here in my room? And then he is questioning to the Max. What are you doing here, man, in my room? Now, what happens? See, Max was slender. Now, again, character description is here. A little less than tall, with features that suggested slightly the crafty, pointed countenance now of a fox. There was about him, aside from the gun, nothing especially menacing. The report, he murmured, the report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. I thought I would take it from you. It will be safer in my hands than in yours. Now, see. Now, here the character description of the Max. Max was slender. Slender means thin, a little less than tall, with features that suggested slightly the crafty. Now, he was also looking crafty. Crafty means tricky. He is dishonest person. Pointed countenance. Pointed countenance. Now, disapproving facial expressions like a fox. Means his facial expressions were like a fox. There was about him, aside from the gun, and nothing especially menacing. Menacing means threatening. In his character, only gun is there. Nothing there is danger which is creating threaten. Okay. And then Max is telling the report. He murmured means he said, I need the report that is being brought to you tonight, and the report which is going to come today concerning some new missiles. And here you can see the picture. This is the missile. Okay. Now, this type of missiles will be there. So, this document is about the missiles that are going to get to Osable. I thought I would take it from you. And then Max tells his purpose that he thought that he will take those documents from Osable, and it is better that it will be in safe hands of mine. Okay, now let's see what happens further. Osable moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. I'm going to raise the devil with the management this time. And you can bet on it, he said grimly. This is second time in a month that somebody has got into my room, though through that nuisance of a balcony. Now see. Now Asable moved and he sat down in the armchair. Okay. Now here you can see this is the in the picture armchair. So he sat down very heavily, means you can see as he is very bulgy, he is very fat. So heavily he sat down, and then what he is selling? He is saying that I am going to raise the devil. To raise the devil means to make a noisy disturbance, to make a complaint. With whom? With the management of this time. Which management he is talking about? He is talking about the management of the hotel where he is right now stayed. So he is telling that, oh my God, this time I am going to complain, I am going to make a disturbance, noisy disturbance, I am going to argue with the management, and you can bet on it. And now you can bet on it. Bet on means sharat lagana. Okay. He said grimly. Grimly, seriously. This is the second time in a month. It means now you can see this person, Osable, is frequently coming and visiting in this hotel, is staying there frequently. So that's why he's telling that this is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of a balcony. Now, what is nuisance? Something or somebody that causes difficulty. Now, here you can see something or somebody causes difficulty. So, that balcony he thought very difficulty for me, and that's why he is telling that दिस इज सेकेंड टाइम, ये दूसरी बार उसके कमरे में कोई घुसा है. ठीक है. Fowler's eyes went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blacky balcony. Max said, now see, Fowler's eyes went to the single window. Now, here you can see this is the balcony, and here the windows are there. So, in that room, the single window was there. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blacky. Now, night was now pressing blacky. Pressing blacky means a humorous way to refer unpleasant things. Now, he is referring very humorous way which is very unpleasant for him. Whom? Fowler. Max said with a raising inflection. Inflection means a modulation in voice. So Max said with rising inflection, no, a pass key. I did not know about the balcony. It might have saved me some trouble had I none. Now see here, then Max made some modulation in his voice. He raised the voice and he said, now I have a pass key. Pass key, master key. Pass key means master key. I did not know about the balcony, and I am not having idea about the balcony. It might have saved me some trouble had I none. Now he said that if I would having idea about this balcony, then I would not have taken some trouble and I would not come from the front door with the pass key. Okay. Now let's see what happens next. It's not my balcony, Osable said with extreme irritation. It's it belongs to the next apartment. He glanced explanatorily at Fowler. You see, he said, this room used to be part of a large unit, and the next room through that door there used to be living room. It had the balcony which extends under my window. Now you can get onto it from the empty room two doors down, and somebody did last month. The management promised to block it off, but they haven't. Then now what is Osable is telling? Osable is telling that it is not my balcony, and he is एक्सट्रीम इरिटेशन. अब वो बहुत गुस्से में है, उसको बहुत चिड़चिड़ापन हो रहा है और वो कह रहा है कि इट बिलोंग्स टू द नेक्स्ट अपार्टमेंट, दिस इज नॉट माई बालकनी. एंड ही ग्लांस एक्सप्लेनेटरी एट फाउलर, एंड बाय giving explanation he was looking towards the fowler. You see, he said, and he said to the fowler that देखो, this room used to be a part of a large unit, and this room is not a very small. It is a part of a very large unit previously. Right now it is small. And the next room through that door there used to be a living room. And it was big room. It was living room. It had the balcony which extends under my window. And that big room having the balcony, and that was extending means coming to the my window. Now you can get onto it from the empty room to doors down. And somebody did last month. And from there, from that room, somebody can come inside. You can also come inside this room. And that's why last time, in last month, somebody came here. The management promised me at that time to block this, but they haven't. And that's why he was having lots of irritation and he was giving explanation to the Fowler. Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly not far from Osable, and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Please sit down, he said. We have a wait of half an hour. I think 31 minutes, Osable said moodily. The appointment was for 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. The little spy smiled heavily. And we wish we knew how your people got the report. But now harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. What is that? Who is at the door? Now see. Now Max looked at the Fowler and who was standing stiffly means in an unfriendly way, not far down Osable, and he was not far down means not far away, very मतलब बहुत दूर नहीं था, नज़दीकी था ओसेबल के पास में. And waved the gun. Now Max is waving the gun with a commanding gesture. Gesture means a signal. And he is telling, please sit down. He said, we have half an hour. अभी अपने पास में आधा घंटा है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. I think 31 minutes. And then Osable said, no, not half an hour. Totally 31 minutes. And he was in a mood. He was telling in moody way. The appointment was for 12:30. Now the secret documents were going to come at the hotel to hand over to the Osable at 12:30 in the midnight. I wish, now he's saying, I wish I knew how you learn about the report, Max. And he's asking to the Max that how did you know about this report? The little spy smiled heavily, and then Max was smiling heavily. Heavily means like the evil. And we wish we knew how your people got the report. And now he is telling that we wish we knew how you people got the report. I know that we know that how your people got the report, but no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. And even though he is telling that you people got, means whose people, Osable's people got the report. But there is a no harm, मतलब कोई नुकसान अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि अब दिस नाइट को मैं वो रिपोर्ट आप तुझसे बैक लेने वाला हूँ. किससे? ऑसिबल से मैक्स वापस लेने वाला है. व्हाट इज दैट? हु इज एट द डोर? एंड नाउ हियर हु इज टेलिंग दैट हु, व्हाट इज दैट? व्हाट इज दैट? ही इज आस्किंग कि वो क्या है. हु इज एट द डोर? डोर पे कौन है? मैक्स इज आस्किंग टू द ऑसिबल. नाउ नेक्स्ट सी व्हाट हैपेंड. Fowler jumped at a sudden knocking at the door. Osable just smiled. That will be the police, he said. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. I thought, now see what he is telling. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right at night. Max bit his lip nervously. The knocking was repeated. Now see. Fowler jumped very suddenly as the knocking is on the door. And then Osable is giving a smile. And what he said? He said, that will be the police. And that is the police. एंड फाउलर सॉरी ऑसेबल ने कहा कि वो पुलिस है, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि इतने इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है तो उसको एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने पुलिस को इन एडवांस में ही बोल के रखा है कि सब कुछ आप ऑल राइट है, सब कुछ ओके है, सब कुछ ठीक है, तो वो आप पहले से ही चेक कर लेना. नाउ हियर मैक्स इज very nervous and he bite his lips. Now Max bite his lip nervously. He is biting his lips nervously. जब भी इंसान नर्वस होता है तो कुछ लोगों को आदत होती है लिप बाइटिंग करने की. एंड द नॉकिंग वॉज ऑन द डोर रिपीटेड. एंड बार बार नॉकिंग हो रही थी डोर के ऊपर. What will you do now, Max? Osable asked. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. The door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot. और अब आगे Osable Max को पूछता है. What he is asking? He is asking, what will you do, Max, now? If the door will not be open, then police will open anyhow, and then they will not hesitate to shoot by gun to you also. Now see, Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. He swung a leg over the sill. Send them away, he warned. I will wait on the balcony. Send them away, or I'll shoot and take my chances. The knocking at the door became louder, and a voice was raised. Mr. Osable! Mr. Osable! Now what happened? Max's face was black, and Max was very angry. And that's why what he had done, there was a window. He just went near to the window and then he kept one leg on the window sill. विंडो सिल मीन्स विंडो वाली जो दीवार है उसके ऊपर उसने उसका पैर रखा. जो विंडो है, विंडो की जो सील होती है, जो हम लोग लकड़े की जो विंडो देखते हैं उसकी जो सील होती है, उस सील पर उसने पैर रखा. एक पैर वहाँ पे था और वो कहता है जोर से, सेंड देम अवे, उनको बोलो कि वापस जाए. He warned, and he was giving the warning, and then he is telling that, who is telling? Max was telling that I will wait on the balcony. मैं बालकनी में वेट करूँगा. सेंड देम अवे, अदरवाइज आई विल शूट एंड टेक माई चांसेस. जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, मैं गोली मारूंगा, मैं शूट कर दूंगा, और जो भी होगा मुझे परवाह नहीं है किसी चीज़ की. द नॉकिंग एट द डोर, एंड उसी टाइम जोर जोर से नॉकिंग डोर के ऊपर बढ़ रहा था. एंड द वॉइस वॉज रेड, मिस्टर ओसेबल, मिस्टर ओसेबल. नाउ सी व्हाट हैपेंस. Keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered that fat man and his guest, the man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself, then swung his other leg up and over the window's sill. The doorknob turned. Swiftly, Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to the balcony. And then, as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. The door opened, and the waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle, and two glasses. Now, see what happened. As the Ausable was going to open the door, then Max turned away towards the window, and then he kept another leg also outside, and then he was there in the balcony. And after some time, what happened? The door was open, but before that, Max was there. He pushed himself, his left hand to free himself from the sill, and dropped to the balcony. Means he came to the balcony. Means he thought that might be place in the balcony. So he left his hand, and then as he dropped, he screamed once. Means वो चिल्लाया जोर से. Shrilly means very, बहुत ही जोर से वो चिल्लाया. द डोर ओपन, और उसी टाइम पे डोर ऑसेबल ने ओपन किया. एंड हु वॉज आउटसाइड? आउटसाइड वॉज ए वेटर, not a police. So here, and what was there in the hand of the waiter? A tray, a bottle, and two glasses. The order might be given by the Ausable. So here, now you can see that Ausable has created a story that somebody is there, means police is there behind the door, and by that Max became here the, you can see, Max compel to go down. Okay, here is the drink you ordered for when you return, he said, and set the tray on the table, deftly uncorked the bottle, uncorked the bottle, and left the room. White faced Fowler starred after him, but he stammered, "The police?" There were no police or Sybil sign, only Henry, whom I was expecting. But won't that man out on the balcony? Fowler began. No, said Osable, he won't return. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony. Now what happened? Then who is telling? He said, here is the drink you order. Who said? Waiter said. For when you return, means when you came, at that time you order the drink and set the tray on the table deftly, means a skillful way, in a quick manner, in a quick way, uncork the bottle, means open the bottle, and left the room. Then white faced Fowler. Fowler's face was now how? White. Stared after him, and he was looking, and he stammered. He spoke in a stammering way. The police? There were no police, Osable sighed, and then Osable said that there were no police, only Henry. Henry is, who is not there outside, but won't that man out on the balcony? Now see, Fowler began. No, said Osable. He won't return. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony. And there was no balcony, so that's why that person will not come back, he assured to the Fowler. Thank you. Have a nice time for watching this video.